to know about your background, total year of experience, and in which domain you are working. Okay, so anyone can start. Anyone can start, or otherwise we'll take your name. Okay. Now Sandeep Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Please introduce yourself.
So, sir, my name is Sandeep Kumar. I'm working in Ericsson as a event project. I have total 7 year experience.
You are working
Hello.
on RF RAN,
No, no, sir. RF नहीं ये मैं sir event microwave.
event microwave.
Yes, sir.
So your profile belong to transmission, microwave
Yes,
link
sir.
budget.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, next. Nidish.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Nidish.
Yeah, I'm Nidish Babu. I'm from Kerala, and now I'm working in Vodafone Idea. And total, I have almost 9 year experience in telecom field, and now I'm working as O&M engineer.
Operation and maintenance.
Yeah, same.
Okay. So how was your life in operation and maintenance?
It's not bad, but sometimes we have 24-hour work in our field.
Okay. So you
Otherwise,
M1,
it's
M2.
M1.
Okay. So initial stage of Vodafone.
Yes,
Vodafone
yes.
is hiring for engineers on M1.
Yeah,
I'm
but
like manager, but
uh,
profile and working style same engineer. Nothing changed.
yeah, same.
Okay. Now Arnav. Arnav.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
audible?
Yes, audible.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm working with a mobile company as a manual tester. Okay. Uh, I have tested everything is manually only. है ना? I don't have the knowledge of log analysis and like network testing. So my friend is recommended to join this session, and they told me here I मतलब मैं यहाँ कुछ सीख सकता हूँ, देख सकता हूँ, अगर मेरे लायक कुछ है ना, तो फिर मैं आगे जा सकता हूँ। तो मैं उसी अप्रोच के साथ यहाँ आया हूँ, है ना सर?
You have degree?
या यस सर।
Okay, no problem.
या
Now Dilip.
ओके।
Hello.
Yes, Dilip.
Yes, sir. My name is Dilip. I'm from Delhi, working in Geo, RF domain,
RF team. Field engineer, senior field engineer.
field engineer, sir.
Field engineers. We have placed around 20 or 30 field engineers in last 6 months.
Okay, sir.
NGO field engineer budget is too much less. As per budget, like
Exactly.
if you are working in any global call center, you will get extra amount. But
Yes,
in
sir. We are having words that this is stability.
most of the candidate is working for stability, but I mean to say, if you are getting 25,000 or 30,000, it's a salary like peon in government employee.
Exactly.
Okay, or if suppose Ambani wants to cut the head count, okay, now easily cut the manpower because most of the field engineers are not doing any technical job. Just only is going to field and changing the tilt and all, and customer complaint. The customer is charging 125 rupees per month. You are going to her home and checking the RSRP and all. Nothing like more or less. I'm right or wrong?
Sir, yes, sir, you have exactly right information. Exactly, we are doing same.
And also, if you are not learning anything, you will stuck in telecom. It's my opinion. It's a depend on you. If you are still happy, no problem. Now, Dushyant, Dushyant, hey John, stop your screen. I don't want to see anyone from today. By next session, definitely will ask you to open your camera. Now, Dushyant, John, stop your camera. Otherwise, team will remove you. Yeah, Dushyant, you are able to speak or any special challenge with you? Now, Afsan. Yeah, Dushyant. Yeah, Afsan. Afsan, Dharmendra. Guys, if you are not able to introduce yourself, this is not right place. Because I don't need this type of candidate who is not able to speak. Yeah, Dharmendra. Dharmendra Sharma. Yeah, Shubham, you can go ahead. I appreciate if someone is raising hand. Yeah, Shubham.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, all. And I am Shubham Sharma. I am working in Bharti Airtel Limited, and I am taking care of radio planning for Punjab Circle. So I want to I want to change my profile, but in only in telecom sector. So that's why I joined protocol testing and this type of course. So that's all.
Okay, thanks. Next. Guys will not take any name. You can start one by one. Those who will not able to speak, my team will remove. We are waiting for next 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Hello. Hello. Good
Yes.
afternoon.
Yeah, Dharmen.
My name is Sir Riaz. Hello.
Yeah, Riyaz. Yeah, Riyaz.
Uh, Working in Vedang as a RF optimization engineer. Currently working in Pune.
Okay. Total experience.
Sir, total 10 years experience in
Salary
telecom.
salary divided by 2 or 0.75.
Uh, no, 5.23.
Matlab if I going to divide 10 lakh to 2, it is equal to around 5 lakh. It's-
Yeah.
Okay. Now, next.
Hi sir, myself Paritosh Pathak.
Yes.
I have 5 year experience in telecom domain. Currently, I am working in Nokia's as a remote integration engineer. I have 5 year experience in telecom domain. Mm, that's,
Okay.
that,
Great. You are doing integration of new sites and any
yeah,
addition. You are
uh,
run the script and all by software
yes,
upgradation.
software upgradation, 2G creation, deletion, child
Yes.
naming registration, everything.
Okay. New
Mm.
license upgradation. LKF.
New license upgradation is not my part. Actually, GDC
Okay.
inform which activity come from region team, then you do.
Okay.
Otherwise, don't do any extra activity.
So 5 year of experience, right?
Yes, yes.
Package is above 10 lakh or around 5 lakh.
No, sir, above 5 lakh, actually 7 lakh. Actually,
7 lakh.
I am in notice period.
Okay. So you have another option in telecom integration profile or same? Another any other
No,
option?
actually, here project is end down now. So we go in Geo as a utility engineer
So
in
your
Geo.
life again, you are going to join as a utility engineer. Your life is too much hell as compared to
Yes, yes,
integration.
I know, sir. I know. So that's why
You
I
have
joined.
to in out all the faulty materials and all. We have in the last batch to 3 candidate from Maharashtra, Punjab, and Odisha. They are not able to join the session as well, but unfortunately, they are doing in last 2 3 in last Wednesday got clear the interview of SCL.
Yes, sir, I know. So my friend referred this link, na, so that's why I joined the, and I upgrade my knowledge in telecom domain, like protocol testing, 4G, 5G.
Okay, no
Hmm.
problem. Yeah, next.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, Gopal here. I have actually 2021 passed out. I am basically from Odisha.
Okay.
So I was preparing for government sector, so I didn't crack. So I'm planning to join in this course telecom. One of my friend actually suggest you can go to the protocol testing. So
Gopal,
that
firstly, I appreciate you are not you are newly born baby. Okay, experience 1 or 2 year. You are thinking about this. Whether you are you go or not go, but I appreciate. Okay,
okay.
next. Guys, quick. I need in
Hello.
next 5 minutes. Yes.
Good
Yeah,
morning,
myself,
Arif.
Sapan.
Yes, Apan.
Yeah, I have total 15 years of experience, and currently I'm working in Ericsson Global, uh, in Ericsson India Private Limited for Geo project.
Gujarat.
Yes, Gujarat.
Okay. You join in Pune,
No, in Ahmedabad.
in Ahmedabad. Okay.
Yeah, good morning, Arif. This is Alex.
Yeah, Alex.
Yes, I think I joined last week on the Python automation and I introduced myself already. Like I
Yes,
said,
yes, I remember.
I'm from Ghana, but a consultant in Burundi, working on the working for operator, no,
Yes, yes.
regulator now. Yes. So
So you want to join protocol testing?
yes, as an RF engineer optimizer, you need to understand the protocol testing also because you know
Yes,
you do the within the core flow you should know what happens at the UEN and then at the radio side. So
yes, yes.
if you stick yourself to one area, you become stuck. You wouldn't know end to end. So that's why I'm joining the protocol stack, especially with the 5G.
Okay, okay. Okay, thanks for
Uh,
introduction.
okay.
Next.
Yeah,
Myself,
hi,
Satyam
I'm Rakesh
Star.
Singh. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Rakesh Singh, currently working orchestra technology as a deployment engineer. I joined this course to change my profile.
Which type of deployment you are doing?
5G deployment.
Okay. 5G deployment.
Yeah,
On cloud or just hardware?
cloud.
Okay. Any recently you have deployed? Which
Yeah,
part
yeah.
you are deploying in 5G?
Ran.
RAN in which RAN? CU,
CU, CU, DU.
Okay. Which part is deployed or installed at the site and which part is deployed on VNF, CNF?
Everything deployed on the what I call it, uh, data center, and only RRU in the site,
Okay. It's a private cloud or on-premises cloud?
private cloud.
Okay. Next.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Ajit from RAN team from Ericsson. I have a total 11 years experience in RAN profile, and I want to I want to change my. I am only in RAN profile I have, but I want to accelerate my protocol testing.
Okay,
Change
Ajit, you
my
are JS4, JS5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
what, sir?
Your job stage 4, 5, 6.
Sir, approximate.
Approximate. You are solution architect.
No, sir. SRF RAN team, sir.
No. I want to ask. You are engineer, senior engineer, specialist,
Sir,
manager,
engineer
solution
only.
architect.
Engineer
JS,
only.
JS4 is engineer in EDI. You are in Bangalore, Pune, Noida,
No, sir.
Kolkata.
Noida location.
Noida location. Okay. Who is your manager?
Sir, right now, sir, Rohit sir is my manager.
Okay. I know Ericsson very closely. I
Oh,
spent around 11 years.
Okay, sir.
I joined as a GT and I left Ericsson as a senior specialist.
Okay, sir.
I worked with Abhitav Ray, Nupur Chaudhary, and whole the
Oh,
Kolkata team.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
We have visited around 15 plus country
Okay, sir.
globally.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think we have not enough time today to go for all. Okay, now over to Rahul. Enjoy with technical session with Rahul. We'll catch you later at the end of the things. We have lots of things. Rahul, you can show firstly why join the Arab Tech Solutions and tool. And then you can discuss about the
Yeah, sure, Aarav.
other
Yeah, hi all.
journey.
Rahul this side. So I'm your trainer. So today I will take care of this demo session. Okay, so I'm around 15 plus year of experience in training and all. Okay, so let me share my screen. So in between, if you have any doubt, so I will start with our introduction. Means, what are we? Arab Tech Solution. What we are providing, what we are offering. Okay, so I will start with that one. So in between, after that, I will take care of what all tools we have. From leading R&D organizations. Okay. After that, we will discuss some basic theory part, means basic technical part. Okay. So it between, if you have any doubt from what is protocol, what all area we have, okay, what we are providing, so you can feel free to ask. Okay, anytime, anything. Okay, it makes sense. Any other thing you want me to cover, guys? Okay, so I'm first starting with what we are offering. Okay, so first thing, we are Arab Tech
yeah,
Solution
our
as
come
multi.
again.
Okay, any doubt, guys? Anyone? Okay, so guys, we are Arab Tech Solution. Okay, so we are a team of working professionals. Okay, so Arab is taking care of all the things. Okay, so after that, we also are working in the same industry as a tester. Okay, means as in protocol testing industry only. Okay, so we have working professional knowledge so that we can share based on our experience, whatever like industry requirement nowadays. Okay, based on that one, we can deliver uh, from market requirement. Okay, so first we will in our any doubt, guys? Means if it
No. Before going to
okay.
Rahul, we'll introduce Rahul. Rahul is a senior instructor. He's belong to IIT Madras, having experience more than 14 years in the same industry. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay, thanks, Sarah, for this introduction. Okay, so are you able to see my screen, guys? Just I have shared, but still.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Okay, so in our so first let me explain this image. After that, on I will try to explain a bit more. Okay, so as Arav also mentioned, we are not like providing only this training. Okay, so apart from this training, we are working professional. Okay, so we working professional means we are also have project. Okay, we are also working in the same area, so we have updated requirement on which area, on which projects, what is the kind of going on in this market. Okay, so in short, when we start the session, okay, so we will try to cover first will theory means not the we are not here to do PhD first of all. Okay, so like we all have this one theory part and internet or multiple websites, we have multiple blogs we have to cover this theory. Okay, so what we deliver is end to end point. Okay, what is like basic market requirement. Okay, for an example, just one thing, like this one, suppose multiple layer, in short I am just telling you multiple layer we have, like suppose L3, L2, L1. Okay, multiple protocols we have, multiple layers we have. So I will try to show you what is the role of these layer, what is the role of this protocol. Okay, so individually you can find out on internet. Okay, what is L3, what is L2, what is L1, but in a particular scenario, in a particular call flow or any procedure, what is the key significance of these all layer, right? So these, suppose if I say these dotted you can cover from internet for sure. Okay, but what we are providing is connection between these three dot. Okay, what we have interconnection from this to this to this. Okay, this we can provide you. Okay, here you need guidance. Okay, so first we will start with theory part. Okay, so this theory part we will try to explain you what is the basic concept in any protocol, in any call flow. So we will start with very basic. I will show you the syllabus as well. Okay, so first we will start with the theory part. Okay, in any call flow, for an example LT attach, for an example handover, CSFB. Okay, so in this one, what is like basic flow we have. Okay, end to end message from UE to E node B and further in code side. Okay, so I will try to explain you thoroughly. Okay, after that, whatever we are covering thoroughly, I will try to show you with tool. Okay, I will show you in between. I will just for a reference, we have some tool I will explain separately. Okay, so whatever we will cover thoroughly, I will try to show you on tool, like how you send any message, what all information we have in any message. Okay, what is the significance of that particular message. Okay, these are kind of key basic, okay, basic things, okay, which we should know as a tester, or leave the tester part. You are working in any telecom domain on any profile, so I think you should know about this protocol or about these informations, whatever we are sending, whatever we are receiving. Okay, so whatever we will cover as theory, we will try to show you on tool. Okay, day to day basis, or maybe in uh, once in two class. Okay, so one or two topic we will try to each and everything we will try to cover. Sorry guys, we will try to cover from practical point of view. Okay, any doubt guys in this 2 point, anyone? Sometime what happened means, we have seen earlier as well in like people join from any other, I don't want to name the other session, means coaching and training sessions. Okay, other coachings, about other coachings, but sometime it may happen they cover theory first, like around 2 or 3 months they just spend lot of time on theory. After that, 1 or 2 session maximum with tool, just basic overview of that tool. Okay, I think most of the these coachings don't have the enough tool. Okay, but yes, we have tool. Why we have tool, the next question is because we have some working projects. Okay, means we have some working projects inside India as well as outside India. Okay, means our team working in the field, we are analyzing the log. That's why we have license of most of the industry tool. Okay, for an example QXDM, for an example ELT. I will show you. Okay, one by one I will show you, but just for here for your reference, we have tool which we use on different basis. Okay, means from different company, these are proprietary tool. Okay, so whatever we will cover in theory, we will try to show you in tool. So guys, any doubt, anyone in this 2 point? Clear? Okay, the next part
Yes,
is
sir.
this. Yeah, so next part is
Yes, yes,
this is
correct.
quite, yeah, this is quite interesting. This is your hands-on experience. Okay, means suppose I'm providing you some one topic. Okay, one topic ABC theory, sorry, okay, some ABC theory. Okay, thoroughly plus practical we have seen. But what we feel earlier from our previous batches, from our past experience, this is not enough. Okay, means any topic thoroughly plus practical, means this is what we can deliver, but still this is not enough to grab a job. Okay, so we just modified like some based on our past experience. Now we are providing hands-on experience. Okay, what is hands-on experience? Means we will share our tool with you, not like you can install, not in that way. You can access that tool like same way. I have accessed this tool from one of our team outside India. Okay, I have accessed this tool because as today is Sunday, so they are not using that tool for their own purpose, so I have accessed this tool. Okay, so in that same way, on the any desk or like in remotely, you can access this tool. Okay, and whatever we will cover, whatever we will cover sorry thoroughly, okay, whatever we have covered, we have shown you practically. Same thing you can check your own. Okay, you can spend some time. In that way you will get better understanding, you will get more clarity. Okay, you will get more understanding, and you can build your confidence like yes, this tool, for an example ELT or this is ELT basically guys. If you can see, this is ELT. Okay, this is kind of MediaTek tool. Okay, this is MTK MediaTek tool name ELT. Okay, so you can spend your own time, you can see the logs. Okay, the same way, suppose for an example any message. Okay, first we will show you how to use this tool, what is the significance of any message. For an example, any message RRC connection request, for an example. So first I will show you in theory what is the significance of this message, when you will send this message. Okay, and what is the response of this message. Getting my point? After that I will show you this same message on tool, whatever eyes we have in this message. Okay, for an example here we have I like this one mtmc. Okay, sorry, stmc, then establishment cost. Okay, so what is the significance of these two I, and in which condition what I you will send. Okay, in that way we will show you. That is from our side. Okay, means that is from my side specifically. As a tutor I can show you, as an instructor I can show you. After that, in hands-on tool experience, you can access this tool your own based on whatever we have covered in session, and you can explore. Understood guys? Any doubt guys in this one? So on an average, this is kind of you have to book your session. Okay, because this tool we have limited kind of setup. So first you have to book your slot. So on an average 10 to 15 year, means minimum 10 year or maximum 15 10 hours, maximum 15 hours you can access. Okay, make sense? Any doubt guys? So in weekdays as well as on weekend, based on your preference, based on your availability or tool availability, you can access this tool. Okay, clear? Any doubt, guys, in these points? Okay, so the next part is separate placement cell. Okay, so guys, we have separate HR team. Okay, so again the same answer. Why we have HR team? Because we are also hiring candidate for our own projects. Okay, so that's why we have HR team. The same HR team can help you for your resume preparation. Okay, so modification of your profiles. Okay, okay, they can align your mock interview. Okay, so suppose this is what we follow in every batch. Okay, so suppose we have covered one topic. Okay, for an example, LTH. Okay, roughly it take 15 to 16 hours. Okay, means suppose 3 or 4 weekend class. Okay, so after that we will schedule mock session. Okay, it is kind of mandatory for all of you guys. Okay, you have to prepare for this particular topic or whatever we have covered in that 1 month. Okay, so you have to give mock interview. Okay, so in that way we can assess your progress, we can assign you some feedback, we can give you some feedback, we can assign you some work, so like you can work in that particular direction, or this is your kind of weak direction, you can explain in better way. Okay, these things means roughly. Okay, these things. So this mock session we have, so our placement cell or our HR team can help you out in this specific area. Okay, then based on your kind of, yeah, for mock sessions. Okay, so 4 mock sessions, so this is roughly means you can understand in that way, 1 mock session every month. Okay, whatever we have covered in that month, you have to give one interview session. Okay, you have to give one interview. Okay, this will be one to one interaction with me, or yes, we have more technical expertise. Okay, when more persons we have, so anyone based on the availability again, so they will take your interview, either me or anyone else, but yes, we are responsible for this one. Okay, after that, yes, we will provide the feedback whatever like requirement nowadays, like in that particular company or like in that area, suppose 4G, suppose 5G, suppose ORAN. Okay, a specific area, this is like requirement going on in that market, in our industry. So based on all these factor, we we can fine tune you, we can discuss, and we can modify. Any doubt, guys, in this 4 point, whatever we are providing? Clear?
Yes, Rahul.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so next part is my tool. So next part is tool. So whatever tool we have. So first is from Qualcomm. Qualcomm we have QXDM and ELT. Okay, QXDM and ELT. They, sorry, not ELT. Sorry. QCAT. Okay, QXDM, QCAT. These two tool we use for log analysis and log capture. Okay, so I will show you how we will capture the log and how we can analyze the log with the help of this QXDM. As I mentioned, our team is working, okay, on this project. So that's why we have these are proprietary tool. Okay, so yeah, the same tool you will use for hands-on, the same tool we will use for explaining any topic. Okay, the same next one is MTK tool, which is ELT. Last one from Ubisoft, we have Logel. Okay, then Wireshark. Okay, so these tool guys we have, okay, for our training session. Okay, maybe we can show you. So this is ELT. Okay, so in ELT you can access, like this is OTA messages, so how to filter out the messages. Okay, what the significance of these messages. Okay, these all things we can see real time. Okay, this is kind of your real-time tool experience. Okay, like whatever attach request, whatever information we have, this one. Okay, each and everything we will discuss thoroughly as well as practical. Okay, maybe Arav, someone can share QXTM as well.
Yes, yes. Deepak will share this.
I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, stop.
Yeah, this is guys QXTM. Okay, this is Qualcomm tool. So again, the same agenda: how to filter out the messages, how we load the log in that tool. Okay, what is our interest area, like in which tab we can filter out this message, in which tab we can filter out this message, how to analyze the log. Okay, these basic things we will discuss in this tool only directly. Okay, so first thing theory, then this practical, then hands-on, then interview. Clear? Deepak, you can show. Yeah, this is QCAT. Okay, like these two tools, QXDM and QCAT, both are Qualcomm tool. Okay, clear? So guys, any doubt, any concern, any comment, anything at this front?
One
Clear?
query,
If you
Rahul. What will be the duration of this?
Yeah, these we will discuss. I will show like around 4.5 or 5 months. Okay, and Sarah will explain you in detail after a while. Okay, this we will discuss. Please hold your question.
Okay.
Any other doubt? Whatever I have shown you in that area, in that front. Okay. Okay. So the next is the same thing, syllabus. Okay. So guys, two module we have for now. First one is our 5G ORAN LT. Okay, this is our premium syllabus. Okay, so in that one we will discuss. First we will start with LT. Okay, each and every layer of LT, then 5G, then basic understanding of ORAN. Okay, topic wise, like agenda will be same, the pattern will be same, like whatever we have covered: theory, practical, hands-on, and same like mock interview. Okay, during your course duration. After that completion of course, we will try to schedule minimum 2 interview for each of everyone. Okay, based on our referral, based on our reference, we will try to provide minimum 2 interview call for you. Okay, so this in this one area, like 5G syllabus, like 5G introduction. Okay, architecture, deployment options. Okay, miss quickly I'm covering. Okay, like HDEP, this is kind of add-on, and 5G. Okay, one new layer. Okay, so each and every detail of 5G. Okay, 5G understanding, basic from basic to overview of each and every layer we will try to discuss. Okay, in CUDU concept. Okay, then in ORAN, like first we will start like what is the background of ORAN, like from history, why we need ORAN, what is ORAN, what is our expectation from ORAN. Okay, and then what is like CUDU RU concept, architecture wise. Okay, what changes we have as compared to previous rates. Okay, means as compared to 4G, what we have in 5G. Okay, in that way we will try to cover. Okay, then these are kind of your configurations. These are kind of topics we have. ECPRI architecture, like in LT, if you are aware or maybe not aware, but in LT we are using CPRI protocol. Okay, this is our front haul protocol, CPRI, but now in 5G we are using eCPRI. Okay, so what is the like basic difference of this one, CPRI and eCPRI, and what all add-on we have as compared to CPRI? Okay, then this is kind of planes we have: C plane, U plane, S plane. These are some of the S plane configurations we have. These things, guys, in short, we will discuss in detail. Then 4G, the same thing. So always we start with anything, every technology, every topic from very basic thing. Okay, like for an example, here architecture. Okay, what all 3GPP specifications we have. Okay, like architecture of this one. These are interface node. So protocol will come into the picture after this. Okay, first we will try to show you, first we will try to explain you what is the basic thing in any technology, 5G, 4G, or N. Our approach will be this only. I mean, this is kind of the way how I am dealing, means how I am explaining the thing. Okay, first I'm starting with the basic thing, then we can dig deeper based on our like requirement. Okay, so these like in LT, for an example, each and every basic thing, SRB, DRB. Okay. After that, like synchronization, we will start. This is part of like, your power on procedure. Okay. Step by step, we will discuss what is the all timers we have, what all configuration we have, what all information element we have, what all messages we send or receive. Okay. Means you send, receive, or enode B send, receive. What is the communication between enode B and UE? Okay. These thing, all thing we will discuss in detail. Okay. After that, layer wise, okay, functionality of each and every layer, mac layer. Okay, these are functionality of mac layer. Okay, so this all we cover in our premium syllabus. Second, we have our executive. Okay, this is 6-month program. So maybe we will discuss more about this one comparison. Okay, so this is kind of from very basic to depth knowledge of 5G. So this course is based on your 5G, ORAN, and Python. Okay, some part of automation. Okay, so then what is the comparison of this one and this one? In this one, this is perfect for whoever kind of new in this protocol area. Okay, means having very minimum knowledge of LT, so that we can build up knowledge, we can clear basics, we can build our basic and LT. They can after that we can build up in 5G and ORAN area. Okay, but if you have very depth knowledge, if you have good understanding in LT, then we can discuss 5G in very detailed manner. Okay, so in that area, in that one, we will start with very basic thing in digital communication. What digital communication, like what all concepts we have in digital communication. After that, in few session we will try to cover well like basic understanding or what is the like mobile communication evolution or basic your digital communication concept. Okay, like fading or demodulation, data coding. Okay, I think most of you have covered seen these topics in your BTech. Okay, right? So after that, we will cover start with 5G introduction. Okay, what all network elements we have, what is the dependency of each and every node. Okay, after 3GPP specifications we have, what are the changes we have. Okay, how you can find out like this particular area or this particular eyes where in which spec I can get the detail, more detail of that particular eye. Okay, in that way you can find out. Okay, then theory part starting with layer by layer. Okay, mac layer, file layer, each and every layer we will cover. Okay, this is kind of U plane, then C plane, we have 2 layer RRC and NAS. Okay, these things we will cover. Okay, so in this one again the same way practical session. So here one thing, new thing we have introduced, kind of like we will try to schedule some kind of your group discussion or your presentation as well. So whatever we will cover, so this is kind of your, suppose you join any organization and you already have better understanding of LT, so you can take a lead in any organization, your current organization or in any new organization. So this giving presentation in a group definitely help you out in your build your confidence as well. Okay, if I say so, this some session we will plan. Okay, this after like disaggregated ran or in frequently we will plan this presentation on all those things. Okay, so these 5G procedures, call flow wise, the NAT procedure, initial access or handover scenarios. Look, EPS handover, EPS FB, we have like same CSFB we have in LT. Then the same way in 5G we have EPS FB. Okay, means fallback of EPS services. Okay, then simulators, whether the UE or G Node B simulators we have. Same way we will try to cover ORAN. Okay, but in more detailed manner as compared to this syllabus. Okay, because here we have time and what we are assuming, you have at least basic understanding of technology. Okay, any from 4G or 5G, at least in one technology you are confident enough. Okay, so you grab in better manner. Okay, so these thing we will discuss, these thing we will like case study or these and kind of add on as compared to previous one. Okay, so after that, like Python things, okay, like introduction of automation. The automation is kind of your definitely will add in your profile weightage. Okay, the Python automation like overall environment or these thing. Okay, environmental set of Python. Okay, variables or any programming language. These things are common. So Python, we will discuss how you can use the Python in our 5G things or in any of our technology. Okay, these things we will discuss in detail. Okay, like yes, we will definitely assist you in like at least one automation of one program or one function. Okay, like for an example, throughput calculation or this thing. You could definitely this thing will help you in better log analysis or better to understand any feature, any new thing. Okay, so this is all about these two syllabus. So any doubt, guys? Anything in this area? Now you can ask like if you have doubt in this thing.
Guys, I am here. You can ask the question.
Yeah, yeah, means Aarav.
Why two syllabus is there?
So
Okay.
means like in this front you can ask like no duration and anything means duration point of view or any difference. Now you can ask.
Sir, what is the duration for two courses?
First duration for premium syllabus 4G, 5G, and ORAN. It will be 4 months. If you will go for along with Python automation, it will be around 5.5 months. Okay. And for 5G executive program, it's a totally 6-month program.
Sir, we can do for weekend classes or means we have to do weekend.
We have all the session on weekend only.
Okay, so guys, as I mentioned, we are working also. Okay, so 5 day also.
We have weekday support. Monday to Friday,
Yes.
9 to 10. Our technical bridge will be open for
Okay,
everyone.
sir.
You can reach out. You can ask your query.
Okay, but like session will be on weekend only. Okay. So guys, we are also working, so we can understand. Okay.
This session will be on evening. Saturday evening, either 7 to 9 or 8 to 10, or Sunday maybe 11 to 1 or 12 to 2. It will be decided based on candidate. We have already 2 batches running in morning session 8 to 10.
Yes.
Most of the candidates get query about the Saturday evening batch. That's why we have started. And both the syllabus having a different the fee structure. For executive program, we are charging 55,000. And for 4G, 5G ORAN, it's 36,000. If you want to learn Python automation, pay additional 10,000 and get hands-on experience and log analysis over the Python automation. It will differentiate to you in a market. Okay. Now, Rahul, you can go for your technical.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. So now we can discuss some basic things. Okay. Means quickly. This is for whoever don't have any idea like what is protocol and what all things we have. Okay, so like we are discussing like this protocol testing and protocol, this many protocols we have. So before that one, first thing we should know what is protocol. Okay, now why we are discussing this protocol, that is again main question. So anyone, what is protocol?
Set of rules.
Stuff rules to communicate with others.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So this is kind of your as per your book language. Okay, this is set of rule, that is fine. But like when I say protocol, then what is your visualization on this thing? Okay, what is your, like, basic understanding? What picture will come into your mind when we say protocol? Okay, so
Protocol is a mechanism.
hello. You're not audible, whoever were explaining. Okay, so no issue. So for an example, so protocol we need to establish a communication, or more precisely two-way communication between two nodes. Okay, so suppose in our system we have UE and E node B. Okay, so how we can establish a communication between these two? Guys, 1 second. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Yes, sorry, yes. So in this one, so we can establish connection between these two, UE and E node B. Okay, so suppose now we talk about protocol. Protocol is our set of rule. Set of rule means the rule. So this is set of rule, and both the entities, means this E node B and UE, should follow this rule. Only that, in that scenario only we can establish connection between these two. Okay, so suppose here, so let's compare this protocol with a language. Okay, means language, why we need language? To communicate, to establish communication. Okay, so same way, suppose here we have any language, suppose Hindi or English. Okay, or here we have any other language, suppose French. Okay, so can we establish connection between these two? Can we establish connection between these two? Anyone?
No.
No.
No. Okay, no, right? So what we need, this protocol, this thing should be same. Okay, means here Hindi. So here, if this node know Hindi, then only we can establish connection between these two. Okay, so in these languages, for example, Hindi or French, in any languages, what is our protocol? What is set of rule we are following? Grammar, vocabulary, right? Like formation of word, tenses, right? These thing we are following. These rule we are following. Okay, getting this point? So to establish communication, this set of rule, if we are following this set of rule, then only we can establish communication between two nodes. Okay, clear guys? This one, why we need protocol and what is the exactly set of rule we are following? Okay, so in the same way, in LT or 5G, we have some set of rule, we have some protocols. This is clear, like guys, when we say protocol, what is protocol? Okay, so the next thing is, who define this protocol? Who is responsible for defining this protocol? Okay, now we are clear, like this set of rule we have, but who defining this protocol? Anyone?
3GPP.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so 3GPP is responsible. 3GPP is third generation partnership project. Okay, so in this 3GPP, we have some representatives from leading R&D organization, means for an example, RGO, Nokia, okay, Qualcomm, okay, some representatives from these organizations. Okay, after that, some government organizations from government bodies, like in India, Department of Telecommunications, okay, and some research institute, for an example, IITs, okay, NITs. Okay, so people from this thing come together and they discuss a lot, they research a lot. After that only they will decide those set of rules or our protocols. Clear this point, guys? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Next part is our protocols. Okay, 5G or 4G protocols. Okay, so 5G or 4G protocols. Okay, so if we divide protocols, then we have three main layers. Okay, topmost layer is my L3, then L2, then L1. Okay, so in this L3 we have NAS layer and RRC layer. Okay, then in L2 we have TDCP, RLC, and MAC. Okay, so if we talk about 5G, so one more additional layer we have SDAP layer. Okay, in L1 we have PI protocol. Okay, so these two here, 4 or 1. Okay, so these total protocols we have in these three layers. Clear this part, guys? Okay, so if I split this protocol into three parts, means where in each and every node we have protocol UE, E node B, and this is my MME in case of LT or AMF in case of 5G. Okay, guys, give me 2 minutes. Actually, I'm coming back. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Okay, I'm getting one urgent.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry guys, actually some delivery boy came. Okay, so we have UE. I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so we have UE, then E
Yes, sir.
node B, then MME. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for confirmation. Okay, so if I split this stack into 3 part, topmost is my NAS layer. Okay, then we have RRC. Okay, in case of 5G, then SDAP, and here we have Pi. Okay, so this is my L3, this is my L2, this one is my L1 layer. Okay, so each and every layer having their own functionality, own work, own effect. Okay, in each and area based on our like C plane, U plane, or signaling. Based on that one, each and every layer having different functionality. Okay, so the same way in E node B, we have RRC. This L2 is same as UEL2, and same here we have phi. Okay, okay, but here in MME or in core network, we have only one layer. Which one? This NAS layer. This NAS is your core layer protocol. Okay, this NAS is your core level protocol. Okay, so here you have in UE side L3, NAS and RRC, and 4 protocol here in L2, then L1. Okay, E node B at L3, you have RRC, L2 is same, these 4 as it is in L2. Okay, then L1. In core side, we have only one protocol, NAS layer. Okay, same I think I have slides. Okay, so here we have divided into 2 part. Okay, we have divided into 2 part. Okay, C plane and U plane. This is my user plane. This is my C plane. Okay, in C plane, same thing you can see L2. This is my L2. This is my L1. Okay, then here, so this particular layer SDEP is part of U plane. Okay, so here one more thing you can observe, this arrow, right? This one means our NAS protocol can communicate with NAS. Our RRC can communicate with RRC, means same way SDEP can communicate with SDEP, same way. So whatever protocol we have at UE side, the same protocol can communicate with same protocol at network side. Clear guys this part? Anyone, any doubt in this area? Clear guys?
Yeah, it's very clear.
Okay. Okay. So the next question is, this is for you guys. Okay, I'm clearing some extra thing. Okay. So if you observe here, if you observe this one, NAS to this NAS, okay, means from UE, we are sending this one to directly to core network. So is it possible guys in LT or 5G that we can send directly some message to the you can directly send some message to the MME. Is it possible?
Yes,
Anyone?
sir.
Okay, means
No.
in UE can communicate with MME directly. Miss UE
Security.
NAS, this one NAS. Is it possible?
All messages will go via E node B or G node B.
Okay, all message will go via G node B and E node B. But I'm saying like this one, NAS layer can't communicate with RRC layer. Then how will our we will send this NAS message to the MME?
This
Any
message
idea,
will be
guys?
piggyback the RRC message.
Our NAS message will be piggyback in our RRC message.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, correct. Okay. So how we will send this NAS message to, so this piggyback message, can our RRC can read this message? Whatever information we are sending? Next question.
No.
No,
No.
no.
Okay. So
Security
how this
regions.
okay, how my communication will happen? Let me show you. Okay. So suppose this is my NAS message. Okay. NAS message, this N. This is NAS packet N. Okay. Means some information. And we want to send from this NAS to this NAS. Okay. So for an example, how we will send? We will piggyback those NAS message into RRC. So suppose this is my RRC packet. So somewhere this in this RRC packet, we will send this packet N, this N. Okay. Then same way, and flow is always from top layer to bottom. So this one, then from antenna, we will send this one over the air. Okay. Here we have E node B will receive this message. Okay. Okay. E node B will receive this message. We will share this message to the RRC. Now RRC will receive this packet, the same packet. Okay. Now RRC will decode this packet and RRC will find out we have some message N. This is NAS message. That's it. Means we have some packet for NAS message. That's it. RRC will not be able to decode this packet N. Okay. Then RRC will transmit this packet to the NAS and NAS can decode this packet. Yes, we have some information N. That's it. Clear, guys? Clear, guys, this flow? Anyone, any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. So same way, let me show you this thing in log. Okay. Okay, just okay. So which NAS message we have? Okay, this one. This is kind of your RRC message. Okay. This is your RRC message. RRC connection setup complete. This message. Okay. Are you able to see, guys? This one. This
Yes.
message. In this message.
Yeah, yes.
This particular message. Okay. Dedicated NAS info. This is means we are piggybacking our NAS message inside RRC. Okay. Means later some in our session we will discuss like what is the significance of each and every message. Okay. But just for now your reference, this is your that dedicated info NAS. That's NAS packet which we are sending in RRC message. Okay, clear?
Clear. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, quickly I will cover one more topic. Okay, means what is our day-to-day life. Okay, so what is our day-to-day life, what exactly we are doing as a protocol testing engineer. Okay, quickly let me cover that one. After that, like we can I can take your doubts if you have any. Okay, so suppose in any like any other industry, here also we have like same client, or we have some service based companies. Okay, and we have some product based company. Okay, so for an example, now one company, Samsung. Okay, Samsung wants to launch a phone with some like suppose 48 megapixel camera, or like suppose here carrier aggregation, one feature, some CSFB, okay, FB, EPSFB, or band 78 support. Means just for an example. Okay, Samsung wants to launch a phone with these features. Okay, so what Samsung will do? Samsung need a chipset. Okay, to launch this phone. So two option majorly we have, Qualcomm and MediaTek. Okay, so Samsung will communicate with these two vendors. Okay, means these two chipset vendors for chipset. Okay, so for an example, now they will go with MediaTek. Okay, for an example, they decided they will go with MediaTek. Okay, so now in MediaTek will develop these features. Okay, so MediaTek will discuss internally, and they will find out the requirement, what is the exactly requirement, how we can develop the feature, what is kind of our basic need. Okay, so they will first understand requirement. After that, for any product, first thing we need hardware, second thing we need a software. Okay, so we are part of, guys, which team? Software team. Okay, so in this software team, now again we have two part. First one is development team, second one is testing. Okay, this development team will develop a that software, that feature. They will code that, they will prepare code, they will prepare the software. After that, we will test that tool. Okay, test those feature. So we are again part of testing team. So guys, anyone like what is your current understanding from these two part, testing and development? Anyone? Anyone? Anything? Like what is like we are doing in development, what we are doing in testing? Means what is your roughly your exact understanding from these two term, these two team?
Developer team will code will prepare the software, and testing will team will test that software.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so means so testing, as a tester team, you will check that any error in that code, or what you will check?
We will check any error, or the what I said. Well, according to the requirement, we will test
Yeah.
what is the requirement of the customer.
Okay, what is requirement from customer? Okay, so
What you
that
do is the testing of the functionalities, the what
functionalities.
The functionalities, yes, what the software is supposed to deliver to the hardware. So they're basically the functionalities or the services.
Okay, yeah, exactly. Okay, so leave that technical terminology, technical part. Okay, let's take me a non-technical example. Okay, so suppose developer developed a software or a program. Which program? Calculator. Okay, means earlier at the time of our graduation or at any point of time, we have developed a very small program, very basic program of a calculator. Okay, so suppose development team developed this program calculator. Okay, so now this program they have sent to our team as a testing team. Okay, here testing team. So what we will do, we will try to find out a error in that program or what. So we will try to check the functionality of that program. Okay, for an example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or divide. Right, this is the functionality of calculator. Agree?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
we are not concerned about like what they have developed, what is inside the program, what is inside that code. We are concerned about the functionality. Okay, so for an example, they just developed that calculator, so we will check the mathematical expression, the mathematical things that calculator is performing correctly or not. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, so in the same way we will suppose again these things are supported. Okay, these things are supported, means your CA, PSFB, your EPSFB. Okay, so development team will just a second guys. Okay, so we will try to suppose in our first they have developed software version 1. Okay, version 1, and they have provided support of these two. Okay, for an example, first two feature. So what we will do, we will again try to test these two feature. We will try to test what is supported. Okay, then if we found any issue in this feature, then we will raise bug. Bug means nothing but issue in the feature. Okay, means kind of your defect in that software. Okay, so we will raise bug 1 for this feature, for an example. Okay, so what tool we will use? Jira is your bug tracking tool. Okay, the same next thing what software team will do, software team will look into this bug, means we will send like in this particular area we are observing issue, or this particular part is not doing well, or this particular traces we are seeing some error. Okay, so same software team will work on this one and they will provide fix. Suppose next version, software version 2. Okay, now again we will try to find out if there is any issue or not. Okay, so now suppose CA is working fine, but now in CSFB we have some issue. Okay, same way we will raise bug to, or we will raise issue to software team. Again, software team will provide version 3 for an example with fix or some new feature. So same cycle will go on. Okay, same thing we will repeat, like we will test, and if we find out any issue we will report that issue to the software team. Okay, same thing we will report. So for an example, in the same way, now if we have suppose software 10, okay, software version 10 is stable for an example. Okay, and here we say parallelly hardware will team will test hardware. So now hardware 2 version 2 plus software version 10 is stable one. This is stable combination. So we will release this combination to the Samsung. Okay, now Samsung again test the same thing in their environment, in their resources. Okay, so roughly if you see here in this particular cycle, vacancy wise or opportunity wise, so Samsung have opportunity, Qualcomm have opportunity, okay, sorry, this MediaTek have opportunity, and MediaTek will outsource their project. So some service based company, suppose Cabs Mini, Infosys, TCS, many more companies we have. Okay, so in these three area, three company or even more than that having the opportunity, okay, for the same work, protocol testing. Okay, so now guys, you can ask any doubt or any question, any concern if you have. Any doubt guys related to work or course or anything?
Hi. Is it included how to write the test case, how to execute?
Yeah, practically yes. How to execute test setup, how to write the test plan. Okay, so whatever we have covered, this is kind of one of our PPT. Okay, so this is our total cycle. Okay, designing of low level document, test plan execution, testing environment, means test planning, environment execution, bug reporting. Okay, so we will discuss each and everything in detail.
Okay.
Okay, in our practical session.
Hello.
Yeah, good.
Sir, regarding placement, I have a question.
Yeah.
100% placement provided or what?
No, actually, guys, if some
It's
company,
depend on you. If you put your effort 100%, you will place. If you will not put effort, you will never place.
Okay.
okay, so whatever
Have
required, we can provide you resources, training, sessions,
uh,
but this
Rahul,
is your,
Rahul, just let me complete.
yeah, sure.
Guys, lots of students join engineering college. Either they are join local state level college or some joined IIT, EIEEE college. But most of the 98% college will not provide you any job. I'm right or wrong? Only
Yes.
2%,
Yeah.
only 2% college, some reputed institute, they are providing only job opportunity. I'm right or wrong? I made the process in a well manner. Like suppose if you want to a drive test engineer, you need one laptop, one mobile, one GPS. How to connect the thing? Okay. If GPS is positioning and showing your map, you will be confident. You know the how to connect the kit, and after 3 4 days, you are able to perform one site functionality text. आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग? 5 दिन में ही टेलीकॉम इंजीनियर
Yes,
पैदा
sir.
हो जाता है ना,
Yes, sir.
कि उसको 5 महीने लगते हैं या 12 महीने लगते हैं? जब अपने को हाथ में लैपटॉप मोबाइल मिल जाता है तो अपन टेलीकॉम इंजीनियर बन जाते हैं। 2 दिन काम नहीं करोगे, 3 दिन नहीं करोगे, चौथे दिन तो गधा भी काम कर लेता है। करता है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
जब आपके पास क्यूएक्सडीएम भी होगा, ईएलटी भी होगा, लोजल भी होगा, क्यूकैट भी होगा, वायर शार्क भी होगा, ट्रेनर भी होगा, आईआईटी का ट्रेनर होगा, तो क्या प्रोटोकॉल में प्लेसमेंट नहीं ले पाओगे आप? 2 घंटा सैटरडे संडे और 1 घंटा डेली नहीं दे सकते हो अपने लिए? जहाँ पे 4 लाख रुपए, 5 लाख रुपए या 10 लाख रुपए आपने पे किया होगा, वहां तो ये क्वेश्चन नहीं बना, विल यू प्लेस मी? वहां तो हम पिताजी के अकाउंट से 1 लाख रुपए निकाले, लो सर जमा कर लो फीस, आई एम एलिजिबल फॉर दिस कॉलेज, माई सीट इज बुक। वहां क्वेश्चन था आपका? इफ आई एम रॉन्ग यू कैन स्टॉप मी। टेलीकॉम में जॉब इजीली से मिल जाता है, इसलिए वहां पे जो आप बोलो सैलरी बोलो या सीटीसी बोलो, लेस रहता है। वो चाहे एरिक्सन में हो, चाहे वोडाफोन में हो, चाहे जियो में, किसी भी टेलीकॉम में हो आप, यहाँ पे आपको प्लेस होना है तो आपको एफर्ट डालना है। विल प्रोवाइड राइट पाथ डायरेक्शन एंड टूल ट्रेनर एंड टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग। आपका 100%, मेरा 100% बिकम्स एवरेज 100%, यू विल डेफिनेटली सेलेक्ट। अगर आप नहीं मेहनत करोगे, नो वन प्लेस यू, ओनली टेलीकॉम में बने रहोगे। एनी क्वेश्चन? I hope you will get a more clarity on placement. Yeah, Rahul, you can continue.
Yes. So guys, roughly it's all about the direction. Suppose again, let me use pen pencil. This is your path. Okay. Suppose this is your path and here is your goal. Okay. You want to achieve this one. Okay. If you are moving in this direction, so not today, but tomorrow definitely you will get your goal. Okay. But if you are moving in this direction, so nobody can help you guys. This is for sure. Okay. So this is up to you. Okay. Whatever resources required, whatever information needed, what is support required, definitely we will provide you. Okay. This is our responsibility, but rest preparation is your responsibility, guys.
Also will give question and answer. Those are asking in your interview. You can direct write your answer because you know in engineering, कौन सी बुक है भाई वो? कोई बुक चलती है ना, T20 करके कोई बुक है इंजीनियरिंग में, जिसमें बंदे किताब खरीदने के पहले ही वो खरीद लेते हैं। कौन सा है राहुल, याद है आपको?
नहीं नहीं, अब तो यार
लोकल राजीव
Quantum,
गांधी,
quantum.
Shivani is the great for learning. Nobody purchase the book, just take a Shivani on 75
means
or
like
100 rupees.
previous sessions paper, right?
Yes, 5-year question paper.
Yeah, 5-year question paper. Yeah, yes.
Yeah, you can continue.
Yes. So that is, guys, more about your that session. You have to put your effort. Okay. Then only you will get your desired result. Okay. Anything?
So guys, you can ask your question. We have next 10 to 15 minutes for you. We have almost done from my side and Rahul side. Okay. We have lots of thing for you. If you willing to join with us, definitely will help to reach out in software testing domain. Feel free to ask questions for everyone. Yeah, Paritosh, Mathubal. So guys, who is going to learn protocol testing? I'm not asking you join Arab Tech Solution. Who is interested to join? Raise your hand. कितने हाथ उठे? कम दिख रहे हैं क्या? बाकी क्या लोग मुजरा देखने आए थे क्या?
When the batch will be start?
Batch will
Next
be
day?
start by next Saturday morning, evening 8 to 10.
Next Saturday.
Saturday will be evening,
18.
Sunday on daytime.
Okay, okay.
Because we have family, Rahul have also family, and most of the you are married, also family.
Yes.
So Sunday evening time will be family time. Okay.
सर
So
Yeah,
how
मेरा
many
एक
had?
क्वेश्चन
Yes, yes. Please ask your question.
जैसे नॉक में शिफ्ट में काम करते हैं तो शिफ्ट कभी भी लग जाती है मतलब ये
कोई
भी
problem नहीं, कोई problem नहीं. We have one solution. All the recorded session we have. Okay. So
ओके
everything will be provided separate tool session. So don't worry. We have from Nokia, Huawei, Samsung. Most of the candidate not joined any live batch got selected.
सर और दूसरा एक चीज और था मतलब ये जो फीस है 1 इंस्टॉलमेंट में ही देना है
Fee
या
will be 3 installment, 3 to 4 installment. If you joined like 36,000 4 month, you have to pay by 3 EMI. If you want to take add-on Python, you will pay in 4 time. If you go for executive program, 55,000, it will be 4 EMI. Credit card accepted. Each and everything will accept. I need your 1 or 2 hour because it's your success story. Become successful.
ओके सर ओके ओके
Anything else?
सर
नो
अपना कोई ऑफलाइन क्लासेस चलते हैं क्या
After
ऑफलाइन
Corona, only offline. Before Corona, I was center in Noida and Pune.
ओके
We are,
पुणे
we are.
पुणे इज इन ऑफलाइन क्लासेस डेली बेसिस
No. As of now, there is no any offline session. Before Corona, I was giving offline training at Hadapsar and Hinjewadi.
ओके
But as
ओके
of now, there is only
ऑनलाइन
online training. Yes, we
ओके
have
ओके
all the training. Even our data center training is also online.
व्हाट इज एलिजिबिलिटी या ग्रेजुएशन या डिप्लोमा होल्डर है
For protocol testing, we'll prefer at least engineering degree.
एटलीस्ट ओके
Yeah.
सर
If
आई हैव इलेक्ट्रिकल डिप्लोमा
you can go for SIP and IMS, will not prefer because I'm not working for money only ना. आप
बट
कर
सर
लो प्लेसमेंट, आप कोर्स कर लो, आपका प्लेसमेंट नहीं हो, कंपनी को डिग्री चाहिए, so we are not working only for money. Will guide you. You can go for SIP and IMS if you
ओके
have diploma.
ओके सर
Okay.
SIP and IMS. What is section, sir? SIP and IMS. Which time, sir?
Today we have a technical session at 7 to 9. You can join.
7 to 9 p.m.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
डेमो क्लासेस
Yes. Demo classes for SIP and IMS if you
सेम
have diploma.
सेम लिंक और डिफरेंट
Differently. Those
ओके
who wants to take SIP and IMS, you can ping on 7709935614. One of the Mr. Sogan will share the link.
अगेन रिपीट नंबर 77
7709935614.
099 हाँ 614 ओके सर
Mr.
1
Sogan
second.
will be take care. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sir, my experience is at 10 years, totally different RF background. So it is
Okay.
possible to switch in protocol testing.
Yes, it's possible.
Okay. If
Everything is
company, if if
Everything
company
is
asks me,
possible. Everything is possible. Depend on you.
okay,
मेहनत करोगे पढ़ोगे तो हो जाओगे, नहीं पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो फिर वही है अपना ई नोड भी का डब्बा उठाओ, माइक्रोवेव का गोला लगाओ, मॉड्यूलेशन करो, अलार्म क्लियर करो। हार्डवेयर साइड में, रेडियो साइड में पैसा नहीं है। देयर इज नो मेजर अपॉर्चुनिटी। ऑल द मैन पावर स्टक बिलो 10 lakh. Any other question?
Yes, sir. सर आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन। जैसा कि मैंने
Yes.
पहले ही बताया कि मैं ना एक मोबाइल कंपनी में मैनुअल टेस्टर हूँ। तो
hello,
जैसा तो ये
hello sir,
One by one, one by one,
hello,
one by one.
okay,
या मोबाइल टेस्टर बताओ दो साथ।
या जैसा कि मैंने बताया था कि अभी जैसा मेरा 1.5 साल हुआ इधर, ठीक है।
हाँ,
और अब मैं मैनुअल का मैनुअल ही रह गया हूँ, है ना। अभी मैनुअल पे कोई ऑटोमेशन वगैरह नहीं हुआ है, तो मेरे लिए क्या ये इधर बेटर है अगर मैं मॉड्यूल टेस्टिंग में आता हूँ?
बिल्कुल। आपको पैकेज अभी कितना है? 4 लाख, 5 लाख?
लेस देन 5 सर।
लेस देन 5 है ना, तो डेफिनेटली 10 लाख पे जाना है। कोर्स करो, सीखो चीजों को, जाओ। नहीं वहाँ
यस
एक हैंडसेट से दूसरे हैंडसेट में कॉल ही लगाते रह जाओगे,
सेम यार,
है
वो
ना।
यू आर राइट सर।
Yeah, I know because I already worked in protocol testing,
ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
है ना। Okay. Learning is always
hello,
beneficial for everyone. Yes. Yeah, Mathubal.
yeah, actually I know, if my salary is less than 4 LPA, if any offer is discount last month, we will provide for 4 lakh discount, for 4% discount.
Sorry.
So if you can see that, so my current salary is less than 4. Okay, last month your batch will running from discount for 4,000. So 36,000 will be paid to 30,000. Is it possible for this batch?
I think you joined demo, multiple demos, almost 6 to 7 months
Yeah.
continuous you are joining. One or two
Yeah, like
candidates taken a multiple demo, now
the-
selected in Wipro without taking training.
Okay, okay. So this month I will join. So I'm asking that.
You can ping me. We have no offer. We are not
Okay.
giving any offer. We are, because we are not compromised with quality. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. So the training will be only.
P detail Deepak will share in the group. Okay. Yeah. Any other question, guys?
Certification will also provide by you, sir?
Yes, definitely. After completion, automatically system will generate you certification.
Okay. What is actually SIP and IMS, sir? I
Actually,
don't know everything.
you know VoLT,
Yeah, yeah.
VOLT,
Yeah, yeah.
VOILT.
Yes.
Behind this, IMS is working for IP call. SIP
IP
is a
call.
protocol. SIP is
Yeah.
protocol, session initiation protocol, which
Session
work for
initiation.
voice over IP, voice over internet protocol, is adopted in telecom for when 4G comes, whenever we required voice communication. So in 4G there is no communication on voice, so introduce IMS.
Okay, okay.
Now IMS version 17.0 is running. So it's
What, sir?
basically it's for voice, video, SMS, real-time gaming, AR, VR, lots of services
Please
with IMS.
repeat, sir. Which version?
17.0. It's
17.0.
IMS version. SIP
Okay.
is 2.0.
2.0 SIP.
For more detail, you can connect for evening. Rest.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Sure, sure.
Any other question, guys?
Sir, you have said that in Noida also the classes is there or not, sir?
As of now, there is no physical classes. Before Corona, I was center at Noida Sector 16 behind the link switch.
Yes.
As of now, we are running from Pune. We are not having any physical classes. only we have practical or online things are available. The student of first class, second class, even in KG is able to learn by online. Why I spent money on expenditure on utilization of
Yes,
building
sir.
or offices?
Yes, sir, sure, but better
Right, good
clarity
points.
for offline as of मीन्स कि जैसे कि हम ऑफलाइन जब देखते हैं चीजें समझते हैं तो एंड टू एंड अपना इंटरेक्शन होता है तो बेटर
देखो दोस्त,
क्लियरिटी मिलती
क्या
है।
है कि बेटर क्लियरिटी तो आपने इतने टाइम से टेलीकॉम में काम किया तो फिजिकली कर रहे थे ना। अगर इतना
जी
ही
जी
क्लियरिटी हो जाता तो आप शायद आप कहीं कंपनी में डिप्टी सीटीओ सीटीओ बन गए होते। तो सॉफ्टवेयर
यस
को
सर।
हम रोड पे लाके तो नहीं चला सकते ना, उसको तो चलाएंगे तो हम लैपटॉप पे ही,
जी जी
है ना। तो हम क्यों
यस
आपको बुलाएं और स्क्रीन लगा के हम क्यों दिखाएं? यहाँ भी ये वही स्क्रीन है, वहाँ भी वही स्क्रीन रहेगी।
ओके।
गाइस
नो
देखो
सर,
क्या
आई
सिंपल
हैव
है,
जस्ट
द
क्वेश्चन।
कैंडिडेट गो फॉर हैदराबाद, गो फॉर बैंगलोर, ठीक है, अपना जॉब
यस
छोड़
सर।
के साल भर के लिए प्रिपरेशन करने जाता है। 1 महीने का 20,000 रुपये चार्ज, रहना खाना 2.5 लाख रुपए प्लस 50,000 फी, 3 लाख रुपए आप खर्च करोगे और सिलेक्शन आपका कोई फिक्स है नहीं, ठीक है। We have made the simple, go online, learn online, crack the interview also online. Why company is not asking to come in my office, give the interview? Just
नो
because
सर।
we have to take 100 plus interview within a week. So we are only online as of now. Sorry for physical classes. Rahul, you can continue. We have some limited time. Okay. If some question you can take, otherwise no question. So I
Yeah, sure.
think we, yeah, I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no issue. Thanks, Aarav.
Yeah.
You guys,
Thanks.
any